How to use Gemini AI Advanced for free. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. Now, as you know, Google Gemini AI is absolutely free lately. However, here, if you want a paid version, an upgraded version, then you can almost get it for free for up to 2 to 3 months during the trial period. So if you are a new user, you want to proceed to get the subscription and look for a start trial button on the Gemini website or on the app. You'll get the duration typically 1 to 2 months, but if you wait longer enough and look for any offers, then you should be able to get it for a longer period of time. And that way you'll get access to Gemini Advanced. Currently that is using models like Gemini 1.5 Pro, 2 TB of Google Drive storage, and Gemini integration in Google Docs and Gmail as well. So if you are having issues with the app, you can also use it on the web, right? Now, recent Pixel Pro models like Pixel 9 or 10 series have included 1 year of Gemini AI Advanced for free. So you can get those phones with Gemini AI Pro versions. You can also new Samsung phones, examples S25 Ultra offers 6 months trials of the AI premium plan as well. So you can get those devices in hand and get yourself free Gemini AI. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.